The frame has been delivered. Carefully. The combination of white and black is neat. We have temporarily installed the suspension saddle. I don't like the sit post design. Headset. Install the headset with a rubber hammer. You just have to be careful not to twist it. Install the headset cup at the bottom as well. A blacksmith shop. It's a new fork, but it's rusty because it's not stored well. Spray rust removal spray and leave it unattended. Rub it with a sponge. Blood and rust are iron. The non-thick rusts have been removed. Use sandpaper to remove thick rust. You're scrubbing it. Prepare paint using masking tape. Paint using a heat-resistant fluorine spray. Remove tape before it dries completely. Install the fork to the frame with the crown lace. Pressuring. Headset cover. Install the star nut on the head tube. It is also installed using the socket box wrench tool. The thrust tube is long, so I cut it a little bit. Use the pipe cutter. Headset spacer. Stem 110 mm. Headset cap. When you tighten the headset cap bolt, pull the fork to compress it. Tighten the bolts while walking left and right to secure the stem. Rear derailleur hanger. Suspension seat post. Disconnect the entry-level suspension seat post. Animera's suspension seat post. The design is fantastic as it is a high-end suspension seat post. White slip light saddle. Supplement the hardness of the slip saddle with a suspension seat post. There was a scratch during delivery, so I paint it with a paint pan. Free-hub body hacking. Cut the steps of the 10-speed freewheel body into an 11-speed body. The 11-speed sprocket has been installed successfully. Do the wheel building. Please check the video bulletin board for detailed production methods. Rim tape installation. 23C Viper pattern tires. Insert tube valve. Insert the tube into the tire. If the tube is fully in, fully install the tire. Use the tire lever for difficult positions. The pump is exciting. Load the road bike tires up to 100 psi by default. Tighten the bolts on the 6-bolt floating rotor to 5 to 6 Newton meters. Sprocket. Insert the wheel into the frame. Secure using the QR lever. Put the wheel on the fork and secure it. Carbon aero drop bar. Carbon grease. If not applied, it will slip during driving. Shimano 11-speed hydraulic dual lever. Please take off the rubber cover for a while. Tighten the lever securing bolt on the inside. Tighten the right lever in the same way. Installing frame cable. Pass the magnetic cable through the frame. The guide cable came out to the exit. Now pass the shift housing cable. In the same way, use the guide cable to pass through the gearbox outer wire. Install the drop bar in the same way. Drop bars are difficult because they have many curved surfaces. Dual control lever. You decide to install a new dual rubber. Pass the inner cable through the shift cable housing cable. Attach the housing cable along the lever guide lines. Insert the hex wrench into the lever to secure it. Insert the 4mm shift cable housing and cap. Install a barrel to adjust the shift cable tension. Combine with the frame shift cable. Front trailer. Insert the 4mm shift cable housing and cap. Insert into the cable holder. Brez on 2-speed transmission. Attach and secure the inner cable to the shift cable anchor bolt. Insert and compress the inner cable and cap. Fold the cable in the appropriate position. Rear derailleur alignment. You need an alignment even for a new hanger. Check the distance between the rod and the rim. Compare to other locations. You can bend it and adjust the distance to be the same. Calibration completed. Install the rear dryer on the hanger. To 6 Newton-meters tightening strength. 4 millimeters shift cable and cap. Secure the cable to the anchor bolt. Cut the remaining lines. Insert and compress the cable and cap. Handlebar tape. You have to install the handlebar tape while pulling it hard. If you don't want the bar and cap to fall out, please leave a lot of margin. Hydraulic brake caliper. Brake caliper mounting. Brake cable housing 5 millimeters and cap. Pull the inner brake cable to secure it. Cable cutters. Cable and cap. Rear brake caliper. The zoom brake has a stroke adjustment screw at the bottom. Braking force pressure adjustable. Button bracket. Grease the thread. Apply enough grease. You can apply it with your fingers. Crank arm for touring. It has a 50 trillion 32 trillion gear ratio. Tighten the fixing bolts first. chain. I chose a fancy gold chain. Because the chain is long, I cut it a little. Use the chain link to connect the chain. Rotate the barrel to adjust the position of the derailleur. Limit the movement so that the chain does not fall out. Motor